Hi friends, this video shows how to change Wi-Fi IP address. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Set connected Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. That is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I am using. Select it. Here you can see IP address 192.168.1.7. This is the current IP address. I am going to change this. Go down, set IP settings. I am going to change this to static. Then here we need to enter new IP address. Let me enter 192.168.1.10. Then submit. Gateway 192.168.1.1. Submit. Network prefix 24. Submit. DNS1 8.8.8.8. Submit. DNS2 8.8.4.4. Submit. Done. Saved. Okay, so let me verify. See, IP settings changed to static. Go to top. Here you can see the new IP address 192.168.1.10. This is a new Wi-Fi IP address. This way we can change Wi-Fi IP address. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.